I am joined right now from New York City with Peter Cardillo, Chief Market Economist, Spartan Capital Securities. Mr. Cardillo, thank you for taking the time out and joining us. A fair amount of hyper-war mongering where the economic impact is concerned. Countries like ours back home in India, our neighbors are already feeling the pinch of it, and so is the United States of America. How do you see the economic situation evolving?
Well, you know, the war factor obviously is going to create some more higher inflation, and that is mostly due to energy prices, along with other sticky situations that we have here in the States, namely tariffs. And so in the short run, it's going to be a little bit murky in terms of inflation.
How much do you see that this will lead to inflation, something that has been discussed, something that is already being felt? Is it short-term, long-term? How do you gauge it?
Absolutely. It's not only directed to the United States. Energy prices are worldwide, and everyone uses energy. So there will be higher inflation. Will it be long-lasting? I don't think so.
If the war were to end today, or if it transitions into a prolonged period, there seems to be possible scenarios. In the first scenario, it could take at least 2 months, what we are being told, for commodity prices to actually stabilize, especially where gas and crude is concerned. Is that the sense that you're picking up as well?
Yes, I do. But, you know, if you go to fill up your gas tank, you're feeling the pain right now, and so it may not show up in the numbers for a month or so, but it's certainly showing in. It's certainly hurting your pocketbook, and so it's a political risk. Again, in the long term, I don't think it's going to have much of an effect. But if this war drags on and prices remain elevated, you can rest assured that you're going to have a month or two of nasty inflation data.
How significant do you think the economic repercussions of this war will be? Could these very economic pressures influence, the timing of the war's end or decisions made by the United States regarding its involvement?
Well, on a global scale, it all depends on the duration. If the duration is only a month or so, it's not going to have much of an impact in terms of economic growth. However, if it lingers and it continues, it can tilt the global economy into negative economic growth.
All right, Mr. Cardillo, thank you for taking the time out and joining us and giving us a quick perspective on the global perspective on the economic repercussions of this war.